Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get red receipt confirming recipient viewed email in Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to know whether someone has actually opened and read your important emails, giving you peace of mind and helping you follow up more effectively. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and that your inbox is visible on the screen. This initial step ensures you have access to all the settings we'll need to configure. Once your email has been loaded, we'll head to the File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. Click on File to open the main settings area. This is where Outlook keeps most of its important configuration options and account management tools. Once the File menu has appeared, look at the left side of your screen and click on Outlook Options. This will open a new window containing all the customizable settings for your Outlook experience. From here, click on Mail on the left side panel. The Mail section contains all the options related to how you compose, send, and track your emails. Now scroll down until you find the Tracking section. This is where all the email tracking features live, including red receipts and delivery confirmations. From here, simply toggle the red receipt confirming the recipient viewed the message option on. By enabling this, you're telling Outlook to automatically request a red receipt every time you send an email. Once done, click on OK at the bottom of this window to save your changes. And that's it. You'll now get notifications for every email you've sent that has been read. This means whenever a recipient opens your email, Outlook will send you a confirmation letting you know they've viewed it. Keep in mind that some email providers and recipients can choose to decline sending red receipts, so you won't always receive confirmation, but having this feature enabled gives you the best chance of tracking your important messages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.